Are you in the club?
Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we're going to be opening our Scooby-Doo Shiver Me Timbers Scooby and the Pirate Crew playset. And here are all of the characters out of the pack. First up, we have the first mate, Scooby. He has movable arms, and in one arm he's carrying a map, and in the other he has a sword. Next we have Pirate Fred. He has a removable pirate flag in one hand, a parrot on the other, and both of his arms move just like Scooby's. Here's Pirate Daphne. She has an eye patch over one eye, and one of her arms moves, and she has a sword in her hand. Can you guess who this is? It's Pirate Shaggy. Both of Pirate Shaggy's arms move, and he is carrying a map. And last we have First Mate Velma. Velma is carrying some kind of a telescope. I'm not sure what you call the type of telescope that you hold up to your eye. It's not binoculars though, because that's for two eyes. In her other hand, it looks like she's carrying some kind of a weapon. And like others, both of her arms move. Oops, she doesn't stand up very well. Oh no! It looks like Scooby-Doo and Shaggy are having a big discussion. I wonder if they're talking about which mystery they're going to solve next. Ooh. Oh no, it's a ghost! A ghost? Ah! Scooby and Shaggy run and go tell their friends. Pirate Shaggy is so scared that he hides behind his map. Pirate Daphne is the brave one. She gets closer and she uses her sword and discovers that the ghost is actually Peppa Pig. Who's your favorite Scooby-Doo character? Oh my goodness, who is that? For more Disney Cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.